Can you believe the banana bread is still baking? And welcome to, oops, that was a phone. Welcome to Cooking with Harling Ross. Harling Ross, me. Today we are going to be making banana bread. Do you like my new earrings? Is preheat the oven to 325 degrees. I gotta go do that. Beat eggs and sugar in large bowl. That egg looks really weird. It looks red. Do you see that? Please hold. Take two. Okay, first one looks fine. Wish me luck. We got two normal eggs this time. So we're gonna open this bad boy up. Loosen it. Quarter cup of brown sugar. Now a quarter cup of white sugar. Really hard to scoop. Is this ASMR? Okay, we did it. Beat eggs and sugar in a large bowl for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, we're gonna beat this. Alright, I'm gonna grease and flour a 9x4 inch loaf pan. So we gotta add in bananas, the Greek yogurt, and the vanilla extract. Did I tell you there was vanilla extract? Oops. Vanilla extract. So technically you can do 3 bananas or 4, but I'm gonna do 4 because I like a really banana-y banana bread. I'm gonna start stirring this again. Very important to snack while you're baking. Keep your blood sugar levels. Cool new necklace. 1/3 of a cup of Greek yogurt. 1/3 cup. Alright, that's about 1/3. Oh no, I just spilled vanilla extract everywhere. Is this a good cooking show? Hold on. I'm gonna put this Greek yogurt and then I'm gonna clean up the vanilla extract. I'm gonna stir in a cup plus 3/4 of a cup of flour. Baking powder, 2 teaspoons, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. It's way down low there. Oh my god. Here we go. We got her. 1/2 teaspoon of salt to finish the job. You know, a little more baking soda because I'm worried that too much spilled on the counter. Blend. Ooh, flour just went everywhere. That's fun. Oh, I forgot to put in the cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, guys. Don't worry, I didn't forget anything else. And technically, I didn't even forget this because I remembered to put it in. I am a tiger. That's not the right tune. Hallelujah. Bake about an hour until you can stick a knife into the middle of it and it comes out clean, not gooey. I changed. Belly button, belly button. Feel a rain on my skin. No one else is in the kitchen. It's just me with the spatula. Oh, it smells amazing. It has some residue, so I'm gonna put it in for a few more min. 5th time. I'm confident. Yeah, I think it's done. Look at all the knife marks. The sign of an experienced baketrice. That's my word for baker. I don't know how I feel about it, but... Snack time, snack time. Oops, almost lost him, but I didn't.